This is a brand new 2012 Acura MDX. This vehicle has seating for 7 adults, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual-zone climate control, a rear-view camera, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, hill start assist, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Continental Acura is a proud member of the Naperville Test Track. Visit us today for your best test drive experience ever.